spanning tree protocol, 802.1d, which is what per VLAN spanning tree plus is based on, is slow. It's really slow to converge. So for example, if all of a sudden this link went away, it would take approximately 50 seconds for that to go to the forwarding state. So how can we speed up this process? How can we eliminate this 50 seconds and make the convergence, the change in the topology happen within a second or less? Well, we use rapid spanning tree protocol, or for Cisco, it's called per VLAN rapid spanning tree plus. Let's examine ASW1 right now. If we type in show span, we'll see that for every single VLAN we're using IEEE. 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 Okay, and this is true for all 4 switches in the topology. IEEE stands for per VLAN spanning tree plus. It's not obvious, is it? But this is what that means. We're using 802.1d, and Cisco's version of 802.1d is per VLAN spanning tree plus. So how do we change it? Well, we change it in global configuration mode. So it's not on a VLAN by VLAN basis. It is for the entire switch. So spanning tree mode. Here are the options. So PVRST is referring to per VLAN spanning tree plus, which is the default, which is represented as IEEE when you're looking at the spanning tree enabled protocol output. If you want rapid spanning tree protocol, you type in rapid-PVRST. And now ASW1 has been converted to rapid spanning tree protocol. Well, Cisco's proprietary version of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Show span. You can now see for VLAN 1, we're running rapid spanning tree protocol. Same thing for VLAN 10, 20, 99, 100, and lastly 200. So every single spanning tree instance has been converted to rapid spanning tree protocol. Notice how it says in this output that the peers out the interfaces of gigabit 0/1 are using spanning tree protocol. So rapid spanning tree protocol is backwards compatible with spanning tree protocol. And how is it backwards compatible? Well, rapid spanning tree protocol has a whole bunch of enhancements, but it can still use the timers for backwards compatibility. So when dealing with other peers in the topology that are running spanning tree protocol instead of rapid spanning tree protocol, it will use timers with them to make sure that the topology can be successfully built. But between 2 devices running rapid spanning tree protocol, then the enhancements of rapid spanning tree protocol are running. So let's go to ASW2. Type in spanning tree mode rapid. Change all of our devices to rapid spanning tree protocol. So if your devices support rapid spanning tree protocol, it's definitely the version of spanning tree protocol that you want to be using within your topology. So let's go over to DSW1 now. Show span. All right, we can see that we are running rapid spanning tree protocol for VLAN 1, VLAN 10, 20, see it right there, 99, we see it there, 100, we see it there, and 200, we see it there. And there is no indication whatsoever that any of the peers out any of these interfaces are running 802.1d because it does not say peer STP. So it's a good indication that we're all running rapid spanning tree protocol in this case, those devices that are currently connected to DSW1. So to verify If you are running Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol, you execute the command show spanning tree. If you want to look at a specific VLAN, then you can type in the VLAN number. So in this case, they are examining VLAN 2 only. And we can see that Spanning Tree Protocol is enabled, and it's Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol that is being used. RSTP.